Hello, welcome to Ibarmia. Today we're going to show you a machine that we think every machine shop should have on their floor because of its capacity, its flexibility and the compact floor space occupation. And that is the Ibarmia ZVH45L1500 STAR machine. As you all know by now, Ibarmia is a specialist in customizing moving column machining centers for specific needs. The STAR range is a ready-to-go standard configuration that meets a wide range of requirements. So let's see what makes this machine so capable and so flexible. Its flexibility comes from a combination of three key elements that, working together, provide solutions that are usually given separately by individual machines. So these three key elements are a full range tilting B-axis head containing a really powerful milling spindle, a large capacity rotary table, and a heavy duty fixed table. So let's talk about this B-axis head here. This is an in-house design used in all Ibarmia machines across the whole range. The movement comes from a torque motor, so it makes it fast, clean and accurate. In fact, we have a rotary scale on the rotating shaft, which gives us a direct measure of the position, making it ideal for 5-axis operations. The very strong blocking system gives us 6,000 Newton meters clamping force, making it a very rigid vertical spindle and even a horizontal spindle. Within that B-axis spindle housing, we have a very powerful HSK63 spindle. This spindle provides up to 45 kilowatts power and a torque of 200 Newton meters, reaching a speed of 15,000 RPM. This beast here provides double the power than many of its competitors, and it allows cutting through those hard-to-machine materials like stainless steel, titanium, Inconels at low speed with high torque and high power. And it also reaches a speed, as I said, of 15,000 RPM, making it ideal to work in aluminum applications. Now let's look at the second element here, the heavy-duty, large-capacity rotary table. So we have here a rotary table with a diameter of 800 millimeters, but we can swing parts up to 1,100 millimeters diameter, with a maximum weight of 1,500 kilos. This element here, combined with the full axis B-axis head, allows us making 5-axis machining operations, 5-phase machining operations, but we can also use this head as a horizontal spindle. We can have a tombstone fixture here and attach parts on the 4 faces of that fixture and use the machine as a horizontal machining center, with the advantage that we have clear visibility of what's happening in the machining point. We can have a very easy access to the parts, and we have the advantage that this horizontal spindle can move at angles, allowing us making compound angle operations in these parts. And if that wasn't enough, we also have here a fixed table. So we can use this machine as a standard vertical machining center, with the advantage that we have a B-axis head, so we can work on angles in the same setup. This fixed table, this working area here, gives us an X-axis of 1,500 millimeters, a Y-axis of 800 millimeters, and a vertical Z-axis of 800 millimeters. So we can work on large plates in the whole working area because the rotary table and the fixed table are at the same level. So we can put parts on the whole working area here, like large plates, large molds, and we can even have a 4th-axis rotary table and use on long parts on different faces. Another thing that we could have here could be a special pickup station for extra large tools, so we can make deep drilling operations on the parts on the rotary table. All this capacity and all this flexibility are supported by modern features like automatic doors, machine-robot interface, so you can leave the machine unattended and let the robot do all the loading and unloading operations of parts, a large ATC that can be managed without stopping the machine, and the usual advantages of the Ibarmia design. As I said, you have a large ATC on the side of the machine that you can operate without stopping the machine. You don't need to stop the cycle to load tools or unload broken tools. All those operations can be done here safely from the outside of the machine without stopping it. So as I said at the beginning, this is a machine that every machine shop should have on their floor because of its capacity, that powerful spindle, because of the load capacity we have here, the large working area, all the solutions it provides in a very compact floor space. So make sure you contact your official Ibarmia distributor in your country so you can learn more about the machine and get ready to have it on your floor so you can become a more efficient machine shop.